Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gold Predict. Today we are going to do a little off script. I'll be honest with you. I've posted, 5 or 6 videos now, and nobody's watching them. I guess I don't know what I expected, but I expected maybe somebody to watch something. So I'm just going to try a little something different here. So today I'd like to share with you my thoughts on the current setup in gold. I think it's good. I wish people would listen to this because I believe we're on the verge of an excellent opportunity. So let's just jump over to the chart here. And first, you need to know everything has cycles, especially gold. So you see here in 2016, usually we get a 4-year cycle high, happens mid year. Okay. There's a clue. And here's the other clue it happens during presidential elections. Okay, so now that we got that covered, 2016, prices peaked mid-year before a U.S. presidential election. The world was shocked. Hillary lost. Trump won. You guys know the rest of the story. Fast forward 4 years, 2020. We had another presidential election. The 4-year cycle high peaked mid-year. You know who won that one. All right, now we're going to fast forward. Here we are almost to the next one. My guess, now I'm just guessing, okay? I've been watching charts, 15 years straight, but I get things wrong all the time. Getting the price right is hard. Getting the timing right is impossible. Getting both the price and the time right is ridiculous. I don't even know why I try, but I'm going to in this video just, whatever, right? So here we are. My best guess, and these are my best guesses. This is not financial advice. I hate people that say that, including myself. So, but I'm going to say it anyway. My best guess is I think gold will reach between $2,800 and $3,200 by this time next year, roughly 12 months from now. That's a pretty bold call because it's going to have to go up significantly, almost 50%. I think it can, and I think there are multiple fundamental reasons why it can. Back to the presidential cycle, everybody's fearful leading into a presidential cycle. There's a lot of uncertainty. Uncertainty is probably the primary ingredient in why gold prices rise. Often there's some tumultuous period, a recession, a pandemic, or something bad also going on. So, what I want to bring your focus to now here is where we currently are. Okay, so as you can see, we have prices peaked here, and then they just kind of meandered sideways for the last 3 years. I believe that this is the last cycle pullback before a major breakout. I could be wrong, and time will tell. My one caveat here is a recession. Gold does different things in recession. At first, prices will go down, and then later, prices recover strongly and will outperform the stock market. So, trying to know exactly what it's going to do near term is really difficult. But I believe we are on the verge of a significant breakout above $2,100. That's the level I'm calling it. It's 2,089 or whatever. But I'm saying 2,100. Once it gets above there, it is gone. In my opinion, kind of the same thing happened back here in 2019. Bumped its head up against 1377, 1370 several times, and then it was gone. And guess what? It never went back. It never went back to the 1370 level. I think the same thing's probably going to happen here. I think we're going to bump our head up against, we'll call it 2100 several times. It's going to break through 2100, and then it may never come back. That's my best guess. Honestly, to think that prices will never come back to 2100, it's a stretch. I mean, that's a high price, and whatever the event is that causes gold to break out may be strong enough to where it doesn't come back. I'm frankly shocked that it's not above $2,100 now. So this could just be pent up energy. Nevertheless, that's my near term and medium term focus for the next 12 months. Obviously, once prices peak next year, we'll have a pretty long consolidation. But I think that we might the bull market might start to accelerate once we get into this peak. Because once we get above $2,100, people are going to start paying attention, and you're going to start to get a little bit of the FOMO. And unfortunately, a lot of gold investors don't pay attention until prices are at new all time highs. Personally, I like to buy when things are low, not when things are high. So, whatever, you can't help everybody. So, if you're listening to this, then holy smokes, thank you, God bless you. I am so happy that somebody is hearing my voice. And if you're not listening to this, then well, I guess, well, too bad for you. So, anyway, there goes 6.5 minutes of your life. Hope it wasn't too terrible. God bless you. Love you. And let's go gold. Hooah.